Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Leo Chen of Levitate Style. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my Roth IRA account. I've covered so far how I grew my stock portfolio account from $0 to $100,000 in 2020. And also a follow-up on that video, I did my top 10 holding in that main 100K portfolio. So definitely go check that out if you guys missed it. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial professional. This is just for entertainment purposes only. A quick little background on me. I only started investing in 2020 last year. As an immigrant, my parents didn't teach me anything about buying stocks. They only ever talked about buying houses and real estate and all of that. In this video, I'm going to show you guys my Roth retirement account that I started just a few months ago in September of 2020. I'm going to show you guys all the stocks that I have in that portfolio and how it's performing so far. If you guys didn't know, a Roth IRA, it is an individual retirement account in which money can grow tax-free. And the retirement withdrawals, when you take out the money when you retire, is tax-free. So that is the high advantage of this Roth account. There are some rules to opening a Roth IRA. So some basic thing is that you need to have an earned income and that it needs to be under a certain limit. And the most contribution you can make is $6,000 per year. I have my Roth IRA account on the Weibo trading platform. You can go check it out. I'll link a referral link at the bottom. This is not a sponsored video. This is what I use personally. So if you sign up using my link, you can get free stocks. I can get some free stocks. So win-win for us both. It's just crazy now. You can do all the stock investing with a touch of a button on the phone. This Roth account I opened on September 15, 2020. And I'm already up 36.72%. So that's really good for a low risk retirement account. I mean, these returns are really great. I don't know if I can do it every year, but just imagine the compound interest on an account like this. So that would be really amazing. I started with the 6,000 maximum last year in 2020. So far in 2021, I already added in another 1,000. I do plan on maxing out this account before I put in more in my other portfolios. This Roth portfolio, I see this as a very low risk, high reward account, and I'm just gonna easily buy one of each of my stock, kind of distributing and investing across evenly. I believe all of these stocks have really great potential and it's gonna have really good regular consistent return. In my Roth account, I have 13 different stocks. I'll quickly go over them alphabetical order. First stock here is Apple. I have 4 shares. My market value right now is $508. My cost is around $114. My total gain so far is around $50 at 11% gains. Next one, I have APPS. I have 10 shares. The market value is $494. My cost is $37. My total returns right now is $123, and that's around 33%. The next ones up on the list are all the ARK ETF that I mentioned in my previous videos. You can see they're in my Roth retirement account, but also in my main 100K portfolio. So I believe in them greatly. I think they're a really great low risk, high reward stocks to invest in. First one here is ARKF, so that's the FinTech innovation. I have 10 shares, market value is $494. I have them at a cost at $41. So my gain is $80 at around 19%. Next one up is ARKG. This one is on the genomic bioscience research. This one I started investing in pretty heavily recently. I'm at 13 shares. My market value is around $1,237. My cost is $71, compared right now is $95. My total returns is already $307, around the 33% gains. Next one is ARKK. This one I have 14 shares at around $1,806. This one, my cost is at $98 compared to $129 that's going right now. Total gains is $416 at around 30% gains. Next one is ARKQ, and this one I also invest in more heavily recently. This one I've had 9 shares. The market value is $714. The cost for me is $64, and right now it's going for $79. This one, because I bought recently, my gain is a little bit lower. My total gain is around $132 at around 22%. This one I do believe is going to rise up more and more this year, so I'm really excited to invest more right now at this lower cost. Next one is ARKW. I have 10 shares and their value at $1,490. My cost is around $118. Right now it's going for $149. This is another good one that's been doing really well for me. My total gains is $305 at around 25.8% gains. Next one is Canadian Solar, CSIQ. This one I'm at 5 shares, $273 at the market value. So for me, my cost is $39, and right now it is going for around $54. This one, as you can see, is doing really well. My total gain is $77 at around 39%. So this is another future stock I believe in. Solar energy, solar panels. So Canadian Solar, definitely go check them out. Next one is NERD, N-E-R-D, and this one is an ETF that is in gaming. This one I have 1 share at $30.75. I actually just sold 2 recently to reinvest into ARK. This is one I think I'm going to end up selling off because, as you can see, my cost is around $26 and it's going for $30. Gain is only $3.85. My percentage is at 14%, which is decent, but as you can see, my other investments I'm at around 30%. This is honestly not performing high enough for me. I'm going to end up selling this, putting it probably in one of the ARK and let that grow higher. Next one, I have NEO. I'm a big believer in NEO, so it is in my retirement account. This NEO stock is also in my main 100K portfolio, and that is in my top 10 holdings. So definitely go check that out if you guys missed that video. This one I have 18 shares, market value around $922. I bought this in, my cost around $36, and right now it's going for $51. My gain is pretty good. I'm at $268 at around 40%. So 40% is a great number. This is also a stock that I believe will skyrocket and keep going higher. Anytime there's a good buying opportunity, a good dip, I do plan on buying more. Next one is PBW. This is another great ETF that I love. This one I have 5 shares, around $570. My cost is only $67. Right now it's $114. So that is really good. I didn't even realize I'm up that much on it. Wow, I need to buy more. This one, my total gain is $234, and I'm at around 69% gain. Wow. Yeah, I definitely need to add more. This one is ROM, another technology company stock. This one I have 3 shares, around $203 at market value. So this is the one I got in. My cost around $55, and right now it's going for $67. So this one, my total gain is not that much. It's only $35, and right now my total percentage is 21%. So pretty good. Nothing too crazy. This is a good average to invest into. And last but not least, I have TAN, T-A-N, and this is a solar ETF, another solar company, another ETF here. So I think that's kind of the main play in this portfolio. I think ETF is your best friend. Low risk, high reward, get in early, buy the dips. This one here, I have 5 shares. I am at around $586. I got in. My cost is $75, and right now is $117. You can see my total gain is $209, and I'm at around 55%. So that is really, really good. Anytime there's a good opportunity, I'll probably add it in more. So that's a quick overview of my Roth that I only started a few months ago, back in September. It's amazing to see this kind of growth already in this account that's going to be growing tax-free. A lot of these, like I said, low risk, high reward, safe play. Even Rebo says my risk level is safe. So if we check back on this month by month and check it again at the end of the year, I think these numbers hopefully will be really great. I do plan on doing monthly updates on my Roth because I think this is important to see how it's going, how it's doing. This is definitely a good high growth, low risk portfolio you guys could look into. These are similar stocks that my girlfriend and I, we both have, and we both have similar percentages in growth. So this is really, really good. I'm really, really happy with how this is doing. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope this helps you guys out, and hope you guys understand what is in my portfolio, how it's growing, what the secret sauce is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. Thank you guys for watching.